Happy day students, welcome to SAN Academy Pallikarnai. This is class 8, Geography chapter 5, Industries. Topics to be covered today. Industry, classification of industries, factors affecting location of industries, industrial system, industrial regions, distribution of major industries and information technology. What is industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size, and ownership. Based on raw materials, industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, and forest-based. Based on size, industries can be classified into small-scale and large-scale industries. Based on ownership, industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Classification based on raw materials. Agro-based industries. They use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Iron, made from iron ore, is the product of mineral-based industry. This is used as raw material for the manufacture of a number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. Marine-based industries. They use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Forest-based industries. They utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, and buildings. Size. Size refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small-scale and large-scale industries. Cottage or household industries are a type of small-scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Basket weaving, pottery, and other handicrafts are examples of cottage industry. Small-scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. Large-scale industries produce large volumes of products. Investment of capital is higher and the technology used is superior in large-scale industries. Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are examples of large-scale industries. Ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are success stories of a cooperative venture. Now let us see about the factors needed for industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. Industries are situated where some or all of these factors are easily available. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost, and other infrastructure so that industries may be located even in backward areas. Industrialization often leads to development and growth of towns and cities.